coming to you all real quick just to do a quick Walmart haul. So yeah, want to come on here fast and show you love is what I picked up yesterday from Walmart. This is not exactly everything I grabbed because some of the stuff I did not want to show on camera because a particular someone does watch my YouTube videos and it's actually for her baby shower. So yeah. But the first thing I wanted to show you was this Dr. Teal's, and if I'm talking funny, it's because I got a new piercing in my tongue, so yeah. But the Dr. Teal's body wash with pure Epsom salt, relax and relief. This was the Bath and Body Works dupe that I was talking about that is sold at Walmart. So it looks like this. I already have like the Epsom salt that you put in the bath, but I'm really taking more showers now, so I don't use the Epsom salt that much unless I've really been had like a real hard day, and then that's when I will use the Epsom salt in my bath and soak. But this is the body wash, so I wanted to grab that so I'm able to have this in my system or on my skin as well to relieve me of any stress or tension when I take my shower. So yeah. The next thing I grabbed was the oil. This soothes dry skin, seals and moisture, gentle formula, absorbs quickly. So I grabbed the oil as well because being that I have, you know, very dry skin and it is a, you know, stress reliever as well. So I said, well, let me grab the oil and try this out. I've heard nothing but great things about these products, and actually people who work at Walmart have used these items and they just rant and rave about them. So yeah. So I did grab some candles. These are not the other candles that I usually grab. These are the mainstay candles because the last time when I got the last candles, they were burning kind of crazy. Like once 2 wicks would burn, 1 wick wouldn't. So I was like, okay, well, let me revert to these and see what happens. So the first one I got is in Tranquil Island. I hadn't seen this particular fragrance before, so I said I would grab this, and it smelled very good. It smells, I don't know, it smells kind of like the Eau de Toilette Shea Butter soap, but it has like some real sweet notes in it. So I grabbed 2 of those actually. The next one I grabbed was the peach and mango. Grabbed that one, and it smells like peach and mango, but more peach than mango. It smells very good. The next candle I got was the Sweet Sangria, and it smells just very fruity. It smells very good. And these particular candles here are only $4 a piece. And these candles you will find where the candle and the wax melts are. These are not in the same area as I think it's the 719 Walnut Street or something like that. Walnut Avenue, so yeah. Alright, so next I grabbed some wax melts. First one I grabbed was the Tropical Pina Colada. I have tried this one before, but I only tried it once, I think, and it smells very good. So I grabbed that. The next one I grabbed, this smells just like pina colada. The next one I grabbed was the Peaches and Cream, and this is a limited edition. And this one smells so good. I love the way that one smells. Lots of peach notes and a lot of cream going on. The next one I picked up was Smoky Gray. And this was my first time actually seeing this one. And this reminds me of like mahogany teak wood, you know, on that level. And that was my first time actually seeing this one in Walmart actually. Then last but not least, I picked up the mango sorbet limoncello, which looks like that. My camera won't focus, but, and that was my stomach growling. But this one smells so good. And I wish they would actually make a candle out of this one. It smells very, very good. It smells more like a lemon cream candle. So yeah. But that is everything that I picked up this round. Well, some of the things I picked up when I went to my local Walmart. Do check out these items at your local Walmart, especially these, because these would definitely save you some money. These range anywhere from $4 to $6, so you cannot beat that, because Bath and Body Works aromatherapy line usually will run you $16 and up. So yeah, do check them out. Hope you lovers enjoyed this video. Do have a wonderful and blessed Saturday, and I will see you babes in the next one.